Hi, I'm Lee Kanowski from Lane CTE, and we're going to show you a series of safety lessons. But before we get started, I want to make sure that we all have on our safety glasses and we are properly with PPE. No chains hanging down, sleeves rolled up, proper shoes, no sandals, and we're ready to work. Today we're going to talk about the table saw. This table saw happens to be a saw stop table saw that we have in most of our shops. The first thing we want to make sure that we do is put all the guards back in place. Never run a table saw without any guards in place here. Let me show you how that works. We're going to pull this up. And we're going to take this guard here. It's a splitter and anti-kickback at the same time. It goes into these holes here. Locks in place, we put the insert back in, and it's that easy. These are your anti-kickbacks, and this is a splitter. This basically keeps the wood from turning on you and coming flying out to hurt you. And this is a guard so you don't touch the blade. So, if we're going to cut a piece of wood, we want to raise the blade slightly above the piece of wood we're going to cut. We want to bring the fence over and lock that in place. You don't have to push hard on this, you just have to make it snug, and it locks the blade in place. To cut this piece of wood, we're going to let it ride against the fence and keeping our fingers out of the way. You want this to be 1/8 of an inch above the height of the wood, or about a tooth. Bring the guard down. When you start the saw, make sure you stand off to the side, let it come up to speed, and then start the saw. Slowly feed it through. All the way through. Turn off the table saw before retrieving your pieces of wood.